I'm Richard Whiting, I'm the CEO of NodeOne Internet. We've had Leigh along to do a team building session with the full team. We went up to Geraldton where half the team resides. So the difference that Leigh's made is brought out a new view of culture within the organisation. So people have the ability to change, and so everyone has taken on board where we want to get to, how we want to get there, and come together as one team, one dream. Absolutely, I think it'll be more than that. I think we'll see everything translate into more sales as people join the team and become aligned to what we're trying to do. It's really important that we have that one team, one dream philosophy, and everyone's on board. So we're moving that forward as quickly as we can. I'd recommend Leigh. He's got a great mannerism, and everyone was really impressed. That was great, and it was a full-on, very, very lively session, and everyone was fully engaged. So thanks, Leigh.